Alright students, welcome to important questions in surface areas and volumes. So this is a question number 1 in this chapter. Okay, let's read the question. If surface area of a sphere is 616 centimeters squared, then we have to find its radius. So first let us look at the formula. So I'll just use the word concept because concept may not be all the times concept. It can be a formula sometimes, or it can be a logic. But in general, let us use the term concept. So the formula that I'm going to use here is directly S equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. And pi is irrational number. It comes in circumference, surface areas of spheres and circles. So that pi is approximately equal to 22 by 7, which is what you will take in this chapter. If not mentioned, you take pi equal to 22 by 7, but it's not exact value. Please remember, it is only approximate value. Okay, now let's solve it. So they had given 616 is a surface area that is equal to 4 times of pi, which is 22 by 7 times r square. I'm just using this formula and substituting things here. So now let us do simple calculations. 11 2s are 22 and 11 goes here, you see. 11 5s are 55. Out of 61, if 55 goes, you will get 6 here. 6 and 6 combined together becomes 66. So 11 6 you will get it. That's going to be the next simplification. 11 2s here, 11 56. Now further simplification, 4 2s are 8 and 8 7s are 56. So here it goes in sevens. That is going to be the next relation. So 4 2 gone, 8, and here 8 gets cancelled. Now you take s to the other side, 7 to the other side. That means 7 into 7, 7 squared equal to r square. Otherwise 7 equal to r radius of the sphere equal to 7 centimeters. So that's the answer. Thank you very much.